In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add social icons to your Squarespace website. We'll walk through placing a clean set of clickable social icons anywhere on a page using a built-in block so everything stays consistent with your site's design. Start by opening your website in the Squarespace dashboard, then head to Pages. From here, choose the specific page where you want the social icons to live. It could be your home page, an About page, or even a contact section, wherever visitors will naturally look for your social profiles. Next, click Edit on that page. This switches you into the page editor so you can make live changes. Scroll or navigate to the exact section where you want the icons to appear. Think about placement. Near a bio, below a call to action, or close to your contact details usually works best. Keeping them visible but not distracting helps users find them quickly. Now click Add Block at the top left. Blocks are Squarespace's building units for content, and this is how we'll insert the social icons. In the block search bar, type Social Links. You'll see the Social Links block appear. This is the one designed to automatically turn your profiles into recognizable icons. Drag and drop the Social Links block into your page where you want it. As you place it, watch for the blue insertion line to make sure it lands exactly in the right spot. You can always move it later if you want to fine-tune the layout. Double-click the Social Links block to open its editor. This is where you'll paste your social URLs. Add each full profile link. Use the complete address starting with HTTPS, so Squarespace can identify the platform and show the correct icon. For example, paste your profile page link for platforms like Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, X, YouTube, or Pinterest. As you add each link, the corresponding icon will appear right away, giving you instant feedback that everything is connected correctly. If an icon doesn't display as expected, double-check the URL for typos or missing characters. Keep your list focused on the platforms you actually update, so visitors know where to follow you. And consider the order. Place your most active or most important channels first, so they're front and center. Once your links are in, take a moment to glance at spacing and alignment within the section. The block adapts to your site's styling, so it should look cohesive without extra tweaking. And there you go. That's all. You've added polished social icons to your Squarespace page, making it easier for visitors to connect with you across your channels.